What's up, everybody? Today in the world of Papa Wheelie, we are working on Adam's rig over here. He decided to get the Indecent drift brake lever, I guess you'd call it. Let's check it out. He got it installed the other day. We bled the brakes on it today. Gave it a quick little test to make sure it's going to work. Now we're going to get out in the field and take her for a rip and let you guys know what we think about it. How do you like it?
You might need to just cut the brake pedal off.
We might. It looks like it really whips a 180 good.
Just touch it, but you keep wanting to touch your foot on the brake pedal.
Yeah, I bet that feels awkward at first.
Definitely gonna get rid of the brake pedal.
Well, what are my final thoughts? I would say this drift brake is awesome. I do have to say I was a little skeptical at first when Adam ordered it, but he was pretty gung-ho about it, and I think he made an awesome choice. I would say anyone that's got a RZR and you want to do like short course style or fairgrounds type racing, this would be super awesome. It'd be real handy for the real tight corners where you got to pretty much whip a 180 and go back around again. This thing would be killer. I think it's going to be good. Adam's going to test it on dirt track, and I will give you guys an update in the future. So I would say thumbs up, boom, get it. This thing's sweet.
If you like our video, like and subscribe.